I've darkened up my sepia color just by adding more pigment into my washi puddle. I'm going to put the dirt in underneath the piano. This is very dark area down here. It's still not dark enough. And it's fine if we get texture in this because this dirt is not just all laying there smooth. It's rough. There's a couple of stepping stones here. That's what I'm going around right now. I'm going to switch down to a smaller brush so I can go around the pedals on the piano better. I'm now mixing Payne's Gray with the sepia, and I'm going to go on top of this again. This is not dark enough. You'll also see that the Payne's Gray helped to cool that color. It would be very dark and cool underneath the piano here where the sun's not hitting at all. As it comes out into the light, it might get a little bit lighter. Keep in mind this is just our block in. We're not creating any details at this point. We're exploring ways to speed up our colored pencil work by blocking in with other media such as watercolor, pan pastel, things like that. Just taking up some of the moisture that was at the bottom of the paper. If you leave it like that, it stays wet and it can create blooms in your paint. I would like to see some other things going on in this dirt because this is just, it's too smooth. There's not enough texture. So let's play a little bit. I'm going to pick up some Holbein Shadow Green and just drop that in. See what happens. Mission Violet. Payne's Gray. Sepia again. You see when you're working wet into wet, the colors just meld together. And it's nice because you end up with so much more richness of color than to just put a smooth wash of something when you're looking for texture like this. And it's always more interesting to have different tones poking through your colors. It makes it a much more interesting passage than if you just put sepia down or one other color. So this is a multitude of colors.